to me. You guys are my darling superstars. You have no idea. God bless you, Chidem. God bless you too. You are a darling superstar. You know already. Oh, you're from Bangladesh. Okay. I am a Nigerian and I am streaming from Lagos, Nigeria. It's nice to have you on this live. Okay, just coming on this live alone. Trust me, you're my friend already, okay? You're my friend already. Let's vibe. Let's vibe. How was your day? I hope your day was good. Please guys, subscribe to this channel. If you're seeing me first time, please subscribe. And if you've been seeing me every day and you have not subscribed, please, what are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button and give this live stream thumbs up. OSK, thank you so much. I like you too already. Oh, you love me. I love you right back. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you guys. Please keep the subscription and likes coming, guys. You guys are so amazing. Chidubem, you are a darling. You have no idea. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. You give a live stream a meaning. I really do appreciate you. I appreciate you, Mr. Robert, Candy, Sam, Becky, all of you. Una be the bomb. You are the bomb. Thank you very much. Whew. Guys, you guys are still coming. I have stretched past my time, okay? But as soon as they here, I did for you. Oh, SK, same, heart for you. Thank you so much. I heart you too. Thank you very much. Thank you all for you. Thank you. Guys, if you want to go ahead to support this channel, please click on the dollar sign beside your comment section to give us a super chat, a like, or super stickers. Thank you. It will be well appreciated. Thank you very much. I really don't say this, I don't say it, but if you're moved to support, please do, and God will richly bless you. Thank you. Okay, where are you watching from? Let's know where you're watching from. Let's know where you're watching. Okay, from Bangladesh. Okay, you already answered. It's nice to have you here, SK. Thank you very much. Thank you so much for hopping on this live stream. What's this? All right, Chidubem, thank you so much. You have been such a darling, a blessing. Thank you for coming on here. It's okay. You can go have a splendid night rest. I really do appreciate you. Thank you very much. I'm going to see you today at 11. Don't worry. Once I'm done with this stream, I'm going to do what I promised to do for you. Okay? I'm going to do what I promised to do. Don't worry about that. I got you. I got you. Okay guys, I'm just going to hold on till 1:40. Once it is 1:40 on the dot, we're going to be ending this live stream. All right, Chidubem darling, thank you so much, boo. You have been a darling superstar. Please have a splendid night rest. Dream of angels, just angels, no other than angels. Okay, thank you very much and good night. Hey y'all, welcome to my life. Welcome to my life. It's nice to have you all here. Okay, in 5 minutes we're going to be ending this live stream. I said so before, it was 1 and I stretched it, but right now once it's 1:40 on the dot, we don't go. Oh, thank you so much, SK. Thank you so much. SK, I really appreciate you. Thank you so much. Oh my God, Chidubem, thank you. Chidubem, thank you very much. Thank you so much. God bless you, Chidubem. Just they surprise me. My God will bless you. Thank you very much. Thank you. SK, salute for you too. Take your salute. Chidubem, thank you so much. Thank you very